So this is the first job opening that we have where someone is hiring as a cybersecurity analyst. Okay, and the company name is ValueSec. So guys, they're hiring from a very long time. Positions are still not filled. Okay, so just check it out. And they want a technical cybersecurity for sure. It will be technical. They want for their client. Just read it out, and if you want, you can apply, right? And meanwhile, guys, this is the next opening that we have, which is IT auditor, which is for the freshers, and this is work from home. Okay, so if you want to work, it's fresher job, right? So you can probably apply from here. Kalpaconsulting.com is the mail on which you can drop your resume. This is what you need to enter up in the subject line: IT auditor fresher cybersecurity. And this is a requirement: graduate IT person, cybersecurity committee security plus CEH, CSSP associate should be there, and good understanding of IT controls, access reassessment, and all those things, cybersecurity audits, right? So basically, the problem is there is job inside in the industry, but why people are not getting? Because they don't have knowledge. So if you want to learn about SOC, right? SOC is one of the most trending domain that we have. People get easily job in this domain. Then you can check out this URL, vihgroup.com/SOC, where batch is starting from 1st of September, right? So it will going to be very much helpful for you, and you will get a job very easily, right? Now next one is in DigiFox, a vulnerability assessment and pen testing role is there. It's 1 to 3 years of experience is required, Mumbai based, immediate joining. Role is cybersecurity engineer, and there are a couple of things that you need to do. Requirement is you should have knowledge about VAPT tools and methodology, right? OSCP CEH will be a plus point. Career side at digifox.com is the mail on which you need to drop your resume, right? Next one is network engineer. Oh my god, that's so long. Work from home, India, 6 p.m. to 2 a.m. You need to work. It's a US time, right? And 40 to 50,000 per month you're going to get. Minimum 2.5 years of experience is required. English should be good. ऐसा नहीं कि टूटा फूटा कुछ भी बोल दिया. They want good English speaking person. Okay, vocabulary should be good, right? And if you expertise in VPN, firewall, remote access, and US, it's a US based client company, right? And what you'll do, you need to configure troubleshoot VPNs, manage firewalls, certificates, and all this, right? The requirement is 2.5 years of experience in IT support, network administration, and system engineer, right? Hands-on experience on VPN, DNS, DSCP, Fortinet. This is 100% remote, so you do not have to move anywhere. This is 100% remote job. US based client is there, and this is the mail ID: sabnam.thakur@upkarak.com, right? Now next one is someone is hiring as a cybersecurity administrator. It's in Dubai. 3.5 years of job is required. 25 days preferred. anas.k@techmantraglobal.com is the mail on which you can apply. Drop your CV, and 3.5 years of experience is required, right? Next is someone is hiring in Qatar. Okay, guys, there's a lot of hiring in Qatar, right? There's a huge list. Okay, whatever you want, you can apply. What they are going to offer, some benefit and all those things. Location is Qatar, full-time job. Mail ID recruitment at prostech.com. Okay, so this is what they have. So there is one more domain. There's a lot of people, those who actually don't want to go somewhere. They want to sit with their mama and be a mama boy. So you can check out basically. You should learn bug bounty, right? Bug bounty or web application pen testing, because you can earn by sitting at your home, right? You can earn, you can report vulnerability, but where to learn? You can check out this URL, vihgroup.com/TCI. It will not going to cost you a lot. It will going to cost you 1,999. You'll get experience, and you will get to know how to find loopholes in a website so that you can earn while sitting at your home. So that's what also you can do. So that's what we have for today. Thank you very much for watching this live. So if you have any questions, please ask. Jai Hind.